Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Vivo V23. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both of them and download free app called Send Error Newer. I already did that because it was taking too long to download, so now I can open it right away and tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select Send on Oppo and Receive on Vivo. Then select all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will pick all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one song. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now select No Thanks and close this window on Vivo, and as you can see we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Vivo, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!